Hey guys, my name is Chaos and welcome to a new video. Another tutorial, Today we're going to be learning how to create your very own virus. Yes, made by you, built by you, through a tutorial. This is going to be a simple one, so just open up Notepad. Everyone has to start somewhere. A good place to start is Notepad. We're going to be creating something that just deletes files. So basically, we're going to start off with, of course, echo off. Now we want to start deleting stuff. What stuff are we going to delete? Stuff that everyone has on a PC. del capital C colon backslash and Windows del, basically just this same thing over and over again with different directories that everyone has that we can delete. So of course, program files. Now, if they do have, oh crap, I forgot to add a space on this one. These simple mistakes can be a big problem. If they have one, let's open up our file explorer and just go to the C drive, because the C drive is where almost everything you need is. This right here. This right here is devastating if they have Steam or anything else, because it's hard to replace unless you re-download Steam. I don't think that's true, but you know what? We'll delete it anyway, because once something is deleted in such a way like this, it ain't coming back. So while we're at it, let's find another thing we can delete. Pictures. Pictures is, oh crap. You know, we'll go with it. Just start deleting everything. Pick a directory you want. Any directory, doesn't matter. You know what, let's go with desktop. I don't think it'll actually work. You see, me, I know some programming. I'm a novice, you could say. I'm not really the full-fledged hacker man, but I do know my way around a computer in ways that will get everything you know and love to be gone. Actually, yeah, I should probably add, this is educational. You know, don't go doing this to your friends, because you're a terrible friend if you do that. Like, that's mean. That is just mean. But, you know, let's say you're having fun and, you know, Jimmy beat you up at school. Just put this on his... I feel like I'm going to get arrested for some stuff I say. I think that's a locked file. I think you'd need a password for that. Oh, and look at that, I messed up. Capital F over here. See, always fact check yourself, because one little mistake can lead to an hour's worth of work. System 64, that looks important. Let's just alley-oop, and it's gone now. I don't exactly know the directory for System 32, but then again, after all this is gone, not really gonna matter. Actually, no, while we're at it, let's just delete the C drive too. I forgot. There's usually like the thing that asks you, do you want to delete this? Let's get rid of that. Let's look. Alright. So what else can we actually delete that would be on someone's computer in 2020? Their videos, of course. You know, someone's probably going to correct me in the comments, just be like, this didn't actually work, or this thing you tried to delete doesn't actually exist. And I'll be like, thanks, because I'm not a jerk, and I take criticism. Feel free to correct me. I'll love it. I will accept it, and I will improve myself from it. I can hear my bird in the other room. I put him out there for like a few minutes. so I can make this and keep looking around in our directories and stuff. This PC. Let's really dig into the C drive, actually. Let's get into program files. Actually, no, all this is actually going to be deleted. Alright, you know what? Let's just look everywhere. Network. Don't have that. Documents. Everyone wants their documents. So we'll delete it. You know what? Forget this line. Unless you really just want to delete everything. I want to be specific. I want it so if they somehow manage to restore this computer, they're not going to have much. Because you want that little bit of, yes, it's restorable. And then immediately they're depressed. I just did that twice. Why did I do that twice? You know what? It's okay. We're going to use it anyway. Watch this. Oh wait, I'm already deleting that. This is the thing, you know, you delete like a bunch of stuff, but then you regret it later. Intel. This is going bye-bye. You know, I should just start putting whatever. I should just stop putting that and just use the directories. That would actually be useful. Or control panel. I'm probably doing this wrong, to be honest, but you know what? It's alright, because a lot of this stuff I know is correct. These ones without the C, you know, it might, I don't know. But hey, you take gambles. You take gambles. Alright, you know what? After this, just put echo, and then your trash kid. Goodbye, your computer. Yes. Say this is a .bat file. Basically just trash rash. Just .bat. Click all files. Save it to your desktop because you're gonna need this. Not to click, but alright. I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description. The .exe thing, it's really helpful for a lot of things, especially converting .bat files to exe. You just kind of drag it in there. You can change the icon, which is good. Oh yeah, icon, and then change the icon. You don't have to, but I would recommend. In my 3D objects, I have a bunch of Windows XP icons, which I usually use because I like the way they look. I like old school stuff, as you can tell by my computer. This one right here is good. Click open on that thing. This just convert to desktop. Name it the same thing if you want. This is all optional. Trash.exe. And look at that. You've a deadly virus that can destroy a computer. Am I going to test this out? No. Because my virtual machine not working. Just decided to poop on me. But yeah, that's basically how it works. That's how you can do it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you in your ways of hacking and stuff. If you want a part 2 to this, to more advanced stuff, leave a comment, leave a like, leave whatever. I don't really care. Leave a bomb if you want. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.